The integration of AI in education is indeed transforming the way teaching and learning take place, but it is highly unlikely that teachers will become obsolete. Instead, AI is poised to enhance and support the work of educators. Here are several reasons why human teachers will continue to play a vital role in education alongside AI advancements. 1. Personalized learning. AI-powered tools can analyze students' learning patterns and provide personalized recommendations, helping to tailor educational content to individual needs. However, the human touch of teachers is crucial in understanding the unique emotional, social, and cognitive aspects of each student. Teachers can provide personalized attention, encouragement, and motivation, which are essential for student growth and development. 2. Emotional intelligence and empathy. Teachers bring emotional intelligence and empathy to the classroom, creating a supportive and nurturing learning environment. They can recognize and respond to students' emotional needs, foster positive relationships, and address issues such as anxiety and stress. These human qualities are difficult for AI to replicate. 3. Critical thinking and creativity. While AI can deliver information and automate routine tasks, it cannot replace the critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills that teachers impart. Educators encourage students to think critically, explore new ideas, and engage in creative projects, fostering a love for learning that goes beyond rote memorization. 4. Social interaction and collaboration. Education is not just about acquiring knowledge, it is also about socialization and collaboration. Teachers facilitate group activities, discussions, and collaborative projects, helping students develop interpersonal skills and teamwork. The classroom dynamic and peer interactions are integral parts of the learning experience. 5. Ethical and moral guidance. Teachers play a crucial role in imparting ethical and moral values to students. They guide students in understanding right from wrong, developing a sense of responsibility, and becoming ethical citizens. This aspect of education is deeply human and cannot be fully automated. 6. Adaptability and flexibility. Human teachers can adapt their teaching methods to the diverse and evolving needs of their students. They can assess the effectiveness of their strategies in real time and make adjustments as needed. AI, while powerful, may lack the flexibility to respond to the nuanced and dynamic nature of classroom interactions. 7. Lifelong mentorship. Teachers often serve as mentors and role models, providing guidance and support beyond the classroom. They inspire and motivate students to pursue their passions and achieve their goals. The mentorship and guidance provided by teachers have a lasting impact on students' lives. 8. Ethical and responsible use of AI. The integration of AI in education requires responsible implementation and oversight. Teachers play a crucial role in ensuring that AI tools are used ethically and that students' privacy and data are protected. They can advocate for the responsible use of technology and guide students in navigating the digital world safely. In conclusion, while AI is revolutionizing education by providing personalized learning experiences, automating administrative tasks, and enhancing educational resources, it is not a replacement for human teachers. Instead, AI and teachers can work together to create a more effective, engaging, and personalized learning environment. The future of education will likely involve a harmonious integration of AI technologies and human expertise, ensuring that students receive the best of both worlds.